The acceleration time graph of a particle moving in a straight line is as shown. Particle starts from rest. Time t, when the velocity again becomes zero, is. You know about the graphs. The basic thing is that in any graph, whatever graph it is, what is the y upon x? Y upon x or dy upon dx, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Y upon x is slope of the graph, and y into x is always area under the curve. In any graph, y into x is area under the curve. Now your graph, which is given in the figure, the graph is something like this. On the y-axis, it is acceleration in meter per second square, and on x-axis, it is time. And the graph is like this. 1 here, and here it is 2, and this is 2. If you observe this graph, initially the acceleration is uniform. Acceleration is constant up to 1 second. Means the speed is increasing at the rate of 2 meter per second. You know the meaning of acceleration. Acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Means the speed is increasing at the rate of 2 meter per second. With every second, हर second के साथ speed is increasing with 2 meter per second. So here the acceleration is constant, means up to 1 second. When the motion started, the velocity was 0. Then it was accelerated with 2 meter per second square, means the rate of increase of speed is 2 meter per second square up to 1 second. Then the acceleration decreases. Acceleration is decreasing. Velocity is not decreasing. Velocity is increasing. Acceleration is decreasing means initially the speed was increasing at 2 meter per second every second. हर second speed इतनी बढ़ रही थी initially. Acceleration कम हुआ, मतलब suppose यहाँ पर now the speed is increasing every second at 1.9 meter per second. Acceleration और कम हुआ, means the speed is increasing at the rate of 1.8 meter per second. Speed is increasing, not decreasing. Acceleration कम हो रहा है, means speed बढ़ने का rate कम हो रहा है. So the acceleration goes on decreasing, but the speed is increasing. Here the acceleration becomes 0, and then it moves into negative, means deceleration. The acceleration is increasing in minus, means now the velocity is decreasing. It is a deceleration or retardation. So from this diagram, after this stage, the speed is now decreasing, and at one stage the speed will become 0. Correct? Speed कम कम होते गई, acceleration negative में बढ़ रहा है, means at one point, at one time, the speed will become equal to 0. Now acceleration we know is rate of change of velocity, means change in velocity per unit time, change in velocity per unit time, or delta V is equal to AT, acceleration into time. Acceleration into time, y into x, means area under the graph. So area under the graph will give you what? Change in velocity. A into t, y into x will be area under the graph, that is change in velocity. So this much area area of this trapezium will be equal to change in velocity from 0 second to 2 second. Now, for example, suppose initially the velocity was 0, जब acceleration 0 हो गया तब suppose velocity थी 10 meter per second. Suppose, actually not it is, suppose the velocity was 10 meter per second. अब यहां से फिर velocity कम हो रही है 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, right? And finally the velocity will become 0. कहीं पर जाकर velocity 0 हो जाएगी. Suppose यहाँ पे होगी 0. Then this area and this area will be same. This is change in velocity. This is also change in velocity. 0 to 10, 10 to 0. So these two areas will be equal. So initial velocity here was 0. You want the final velocity to be 0, means positive change in velocity is equal to negative change in velocity, means area of this triangle is equal to area of the trapezium. Now you can find the areas. You will name it A, B, suppose this is C, D, E, F, and G. Then area of triangle CFG will be equal to area of the trapezium ABCE. ABCE. Area of this triangle is half into base. What is this base? Time, isn't it? This base is time into height, that is acceleration. Or you can say simply, this is half into CF into FG. Correct? Half into base into height. Remembering that this CF is time and this FG is acceleration, is equal to area of this trapezium will be area of this rectangle plus area of this triangle. Area of the rectangle 1 into 2, that is 2, plus area of this triangle half into base 1 into height, that is 2. So half into CF into FG is equal to, this 2 gets cancelled, 2 plus 1 is 3. What we have to find out? We have to find out the time when the velocity will become 0. Means we have to find CF. CF find करना है हमको. Suppose this angle is theta. This angle is also theta. Correct? So tan theta. Now we'll keep this aside for some time. Tan theta in this triangle is opposite side upon adjacent side, that is FG upon CF, or you can say FG is CF tan theta. FG is CF tan theta. So in place of this FG, we can write CF tan theta. So half into CF into CF tan theta is equal to 3. What is this tan theta? These two theta are same, vertically opposite angles. So tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. So tan theta will be 2 upon 1. So half into CF into CF is CF square. CF square is T square. CF is time. So T square into tan theta is 2 upon 1 is equal to 3. This 2 gets cancelled. So T square is equal to 3. Or you can say T is equal to root 3. So after this time, root 3, the area of these two triangles, these two figures will be same, means velocity will again become 0. So total time kitna hua? This 2 second and this root 3 second, that is 2 plus root 3 second. So velocity will again become 0 after a time 2 plus root 3 second. Check your options. It is option B. So B will be your answer, 2 plus root 3.